22.5. This is the 25. That means I need to mill an angle to get these to sit out. I know that my hole here is going to be 15 inches on the center, and for easy math, if I wanted a 25-inch outer diameter ring, I need to put this 5 inches above the inside of that tab. Essentially what I'm doing is 3D printing using called a MIG, but it's flux core. So there's shielding gas in this wire. I pull this trigger, it feeds the wire out, and I hold this about a ½ inch, 3/4 inch away from the metal, and it builds up pretty quickly. So what I'm doing is filling the hole, layering back over it, and then building up the edge where it got ground down. So I just got my castings back from the sandblaster. These are the aluminum spiders. And I'm gonna spray etching primer on the tops and bottoms. And hopefully tomorrow, put the first coat of red paint on. So there you go, spoiler, we're doing red paint. But the first coat is being used as a rust preventative. So I still need to put the timpani together, and then we'll do the final painting later. I put on what's called a fog coat first, just a light first pass. And then I go back about 10 minutes later and put on a heavy-ish or a wet coat. And then I'll wait another 15-20 minutes, flip them over and finish them out. This is more for rust preventative measures than it is for a final coat. Probably be at least 2 more coats and some more machining to do, at least on the struts.